Hey, cosplay fun here. Today, I'm Hikaru, and this is
Olivia Munster.
And today, this is going to be completely different. Something new for the channel. And if you guys like it, might do more. We're going to be trying different chips from around the world, I'm guessing. This one is Brazil, India, China, and Greece. So, which one should we try first?
Since I'm kind of green, we'll go with this Brazil first.
We're going to try we always strong smell. I bet you guys can't smell it. They smell good.
Yeah, it smells like my mom's cooking.
They're these chips.
Kind of look like.
Okay. I'm trying to explain what they taste like.
They kind of have like a taste of sour cream almost, but it's got something totally different.
Steak and churrasco sauce.
Chimichurri. Probably something my mom puts on one of her swamp things. That was good.
And before any video, with different chips, make sure you always have a drink.
Because I don't know what they all taste like.
Let's go with red.
Red.
The Chinese chicken. I'm just not the spices.
Holy crap. I don't even know if I want to even try this. That's what they kind of look like.
I have a red tint.
Oh, let's see what that is. This is the first time I tried it. Oh my gosh!
It's spicy.
It's spicy. I would not touch that stuff. Oh my gosh. Woo! Damn. I have some cheese with it. Oh my lord. Woo.
They're good, but extremely spicy. They have a little kick at the end.
They're strong. Oh my. Oh my lord. That's spicy. What's that? Woo! Never had any Sichuan chicken like that. Oh my gosh.
Woo. It is spicy, but it's good. My taste better was like a dipping sauce or something.
It might make the hotness go down a little bit better too.
Next we're going to India. This is what the bag looks like.
Indian terry masala.
We're probably saying that wrong because we're not from England.
Indian.
Indian, whatever. I'm thinking. You can take ladies first. Okay. They're an orange, like barbecue chip.
They look like barbecue. They smell kind of like barbecue, but it's not. It's actually got a mild sweet taste to it. It's kettle.
Woo. Kettle cooked.
Not bad. I would eat those more.
They're really not that bad. But I still have a burning taste from China.
And it was spicy.
The last. Oh, excuse me. This is great. It's just your regular chips with
Waves. And this is supposed to be waves, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a great
You can taste the cucumber.
Yeah, there's cucumber. Is it saying that? Cucumber. So it's actually not bad.
Not bad at all.
It's got like it looks like sour cream and onion, but more. This is the waves, and they're from Lay's, so
These are all Lay's.
or from Lay's. It's a brand new one that came out this year. It's called Passport Flavor.
When the Greeks mixed dill, garlic, and other unique spices to yogurt, Tagashi became a manatee classic, whose no doubt this creamy flavor will have to say, Opa. 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 Really good.
Not bad.
That's what this says on the back. Packed with the flavorful spices like karma and crumb, tomato base dish, kakimasa is a fixture in
global cuisine.
Open this flavor and bring some kahashis to your day. There's a little thing on the back that I'm reading.
They talk a little bit in the back about that. That's actually not bad. It tastes like barbecue.
Sorry about the line. It's the sun.
That's
Picana of fish.
Brazilian fish.
The fitness cut of Brazilian steak is sorry, I'm tongue-tied.
Picana is the first cut Brazilian steak of skewer grilled with coarse sauce and locked and flavored mix. Brings flavor and chimichurri sauce, and you'll say manas for flavor. And it's the spicy
The region of Saichuha pepper is where takeout flavors. Swiss chard chicken gets its name. Why wait for delivery? You got a tongue-tingling sensation of Baja right here.
That is really spicy though. I probably wouldn't touch it. And that's a regular too. A lot of these are regulars. The only one that was different was the
Greek.
And
And if you want to try them, go for them.
they're in the store. You can find
We
them at
found
the
ours
store.
at our local Walmart.
Go to the store. You'll find it. It's usually right there in the front of the chip aisle.
If you have tried these, in the comments below, tell us what your favorite was, if you have tried them.
Which one you don't like.
Like, the one I like, yeah, it's to be the Greek.
Yeah, I like the Greek too.
The one that I don't like, that's be the spices. But they'll still be even. Kyrie loves spicy.
I'm Olivia.
I'm Hikaru.
I'm Olivia Munster.
This has been Cosplay Fun and
Olivia Munster, Christy Snape, 1988.
I'll put her YouTube channel in the description below. Have fun. Be safe in the kitchen. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.